welcome back to my channel. That was so ugly. Okay, we're gonna try again.
Every week is fashion week for me.
Hey homies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going on vacation, so I figured why not vlog it for you guys because I need content. So welcome to my vacation vlog. I hope you're ready for a wild ride because it's gonna be a great time and I'm so excited. Also, almost tripped. It's okay. There's totally a chair there, but we're just gonna pretend I didn't do that. That was like a really energetic intro. I never filmed like this, so now you can get a cool little, wait for it. You needed that. All right, I'll see you guys when we get going. I know what you're thinking, and no, that is not a scratch, it's a dog hair.
For my kiss, then you can wear my and you can tell your friends we'll be together till the end. Girl, you can wear my sweatshirt, cause you're the only one I hold, and I don't want you to be cold. So baby, wear my...
Ew, okay. So it looks like I took a shower, but really I just went swimming and kayaking and it was a great time. We're going to dinner, so I figured I'd do a little vacation get ready with me.
So baby, if you are not ready for my kiss, then you can wear my sweatshirt.
Okay. First, we're using the Mario Badescu green tea spray. I'm also gonna spray my hair because it stinks. Not really, but now we gonna use some primer. Oh, that was a lot. This is my makeup bag. This is my new favorite mascara. Look at that. How? Do you see how little the wand is? And how crazy? It's wild. Not really, but... I decided that I should do a little camper room tour of my realistic room goals. Look at this lighting. So as I stated, I was going to give you a room tour until I was rudely interrupted. So here you go. This is, my mom made me bring something to put my camera in. My toothbrush charger is in here. This brush is great. Hashtag not spons, but... What? Bless you. There's a wedding happening.
Did you just take a picture of me sneezing?
A video of me sneezing.
Did you really?
Oh. I always look like a bald little boy when I vlog in the morning because my hair is up. It's fine. Today it's finally sunny. Foreshadowing, it rained the entire rest of our trip. So we're going to the beach and I am so excited. I'm so excited, oh my gosh. I'm wearing my Walmart bikini top. I'm also drinking my favorite coffee ever, not spons, but like sponsor me even though I don't have any subscribers.
Chilling with a hair tie, no makeup with some sweatpants on. You know I can always be that guy.
We came out here to take sunset pictures and
Look at that sunset.
she's gone. I'm really red.
Do you still want pictures?
Yeah, we can. The lighting's kind of cool in this weird little field. I'm a terrible vlogger. Sis, we know. It's great.
Long hair.
Favorite. Great. Wait. Go back. Guys, I'm not even joking on this one. This is the best picture of me ever. This is the best picture I've ever taken. That is beautiful. There's children playing in the water. The shoes are off. It's getting serious. Can we name him? We should name him, oh my god, I love him. Focus. Oh my god, he's really angry. Okay, oh. Oh, me too. Ew. Oh, it's cool. Oh, she just dropped him. Ah.
It's not working then.
It's out of focus.
No, I think there was
We're going to play laser tag. I am ready. I'm wearing bright yellow and everything. Vlog camera takeover. The game.
I love guacamole.
Guacamole.
I want some free shabakadoo.
Free shabakadoo. Lovely.
Bye-bye.
Oh god. Are you filming me? Yeah. Real surf shop. Hey bro, what's up?
Oh, I see.
It's finally sunny. It's literally been raining for the past like 20,000 days. I literally look like a meatball with hair. Yeah. And that's where I stopped vlogging. Not really, I just wanted to freeze frame on this. Yeah, this vlog was kind of a mess, so props to you if you watched the whole thing. I'll see you guys later. Bye!